The very first step before applying BASEOFSWEDEN is to have a very clean skin. You can just use a tonic. It's very important to use a tonic that is hydrating. Sometimes tonics can really dehydrate the skin. And I have a very dry skin, so I always look for products that are hydrating. Hair clips. The most important step. Step 2, after cleaning, apply a moisturizer. I suggest to use a very rich one. Particularly me, because I have a dry skin, I use UMS. I already use it for many years and it's actually one of my favorites. Be not too shy with the moisturizer. Very best part of BASEOFSWEDEN, it stays moist for 72 hours. Normally foundation gets like already dry after applying it, or even at least a few hours later in the day, and it can get a cakey effect. BASEOFSWEDEN stays super moisturized for 72 hours, which means that your skin will look refreshed all day long. I use a pore refiner. Now we are ready for the magic and apply BASEOFSWEDEN. So I use the color Sophisticated. BASEOFSWEDEN has 8 different colors, so you will find the match with your skin, or otherwise you can blend a few colors or even mix it with your own foundation. Always shake it a little bit before use. You can apply it with a sponge. I like to apply it just with the fingers. Super creamy and very easy to spread around the face. It just feels like another super hydrated cream. If you use a very rich moisturizer underneath, it mixes with your moisturizer. It's a very natural look, I like. You can apply multiple layers if you like a lot of coverage. I go normally for 1 layer full face, and then second, sometimes a third layer underneath the eyes. Use it as a concealer, and a small second layer on some areas in the face where I think I need it, where I want to cover a pigmentation, redness, well, a spot that I have today. Already with the first layer, you can already see that the skin tone is like super flawless and that most pigmentation and redness is already gone. Then it's very important to let it dry for like 60 seconds. I go for the concealing part. Sophisticated. But now I use a small brush, because then you get it like more dense. That means that it will be more covering. You really see that the dark circles, they go to circle length, because they disappear. I used to use like even 2 different foundations, like a lighter one around the eyes and a darker one here, and then a separate concealer and a primer, everything. And now all I need is a moisturizer, a little bit of pore refiner, and BASEOFSWEDEN in one color, and this little brush to make a better coverage under the eyes. And that's all. And this is the result. Flawless all day, no scars, no pigmentation, and a very natural look that takes you from day to night.